What's up, you guys? So today's video is very special. Today we're doing a custom denim jacket. A lot of people have asked me the recommendations, suggestions, please do a denim jacket. And today is the day where I finally do a denim jacket. So hopefully you enjoy this tutorial. With all that being said, let's get straight to the video. So the first step in this custom is you want to take your lint roller and make sure you get all the lint off the jacket. So the second step in this custom is you want to go to google.com and find a design for your jacket. I am using a tiger for this custom. Okay guys, so the next step is we're going to take the picture of our tiger and then we're going to cut it out and then trace it onto the jacket. So the paint I'm using in this custom is Angela's White, Angela's Flat Black, Angela's Tangerine, and then GAC 900, which is a fabric medium that you mix with the paint. So when you paint a fabric like a denim jacket, you want to do really light coats of white and GAC 900 mix, and then take a blow jar and then heat set it. So you guys, there we have it. Custom denim jacket is done. The tiger, my name. This came out really good, and I'm super proud of myself because I ain't even think I was able to do it, to be honest. So you guys, as I was doing my custom denim jacket, two amazing kids, little kids, they hit me up and they was like, Xavier, I want to hydro dip my controller. This is my first time ever hydro dip. I said, This your first time ever hydro dipping? I said, yo, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. So hopefully you enjoy this little vlog, hydro dipping, Xbox One controllers, me and some kids. I love the kids. Hopefully you enjoy it. All right. What are you doing in front of my car? What's up, Mo?
Hey.
What we finna do today? What? Hydro dip what?
Controllers. Xbox One controller.
It's their first time hydro dipping. We got Micah, and we got Mo, and we got a lot of paint.
And this is the paint that I'm gonna be using.
Blue and red. What about you, Mo?
Comment on this video if you like blue and red and white. This one minute that one be using. You know, pink and teal.
Pink and teal.
So guys, let's go.
We gotta fill up those buckets first. Alright, so you ready to spray in there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, let's do it. One at a time. There you go. One at a time. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, set. Go slow now. Slow.
I'm scared.
No, you good. Go slow. Go slow. Alright, now you can lift it up. Lift it up. Flip it over. Woo! How you feel about yours?
Good.
Good? Shake them up.
See.
You gotta shake them up. The glove came off while shaking the cans?
Look at Marty.
You got the other one? Yeah, you know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, he don't know how to do it.
Alright, spray one in there.
Dang.
Oh,
Want me
man.
to help you? Bro,
You know he left-handed, honey.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Red.
Alright, there go, red. You got red, blue. Keep spraying back and forth. Mike's ready to go. Alright.
3. Count down for me, Xavier.
3, 2,
1.
1. Go slow.
Whoa. He was so fast.
Fast.
You.
Now hold on. Wait, stay right there. Stay right there. Dang, you did it fast, boy. Told you go slow. Alright, pull it up. Slow. Whoa! Wait, why you turn it like that?
Oh, that look cool.
That's cool though. Let me see. Let the camera see it. Put it down a little bit. Down some more.
Look at his thing.
Hey guys, I did not get a reaction of the kids with the Xbox One controllers, but we have fun. I enjoyed myself, especially hanging out with them and then them being able to hydro dip their controllers, which is always, you know, win-win situation. Win-win situation? Yeah. It just didn't really come out like I wanted to. But, so, you guys, I got a special gift from a subscriber. Hold on, let me show you. I got a gift from a subscriber, and they sent me a pair of shoes to my P.O. box. Man, blessings. Shout out to all of y'all for sending me stuff in my P.O. box. So we got these shoes, Xavier kicks, Nikes. They even drew my face on here. Shout out to Cat Productions, man. Y'all the best, man, for sending over the shoes. I appreciate it. Also, if you want to send fan mail, you can send fan mail to the address below in the description. So make sure, you know, if you want to send a do-rag, you want to send a t-shirt, I would just be appreciative of all of them. Shout out to all the people that's watching the videos. Y'all the best. Thank you for supporting the channel. We're on the road to 300K. We almost there. We almost there, but we're going to get there. And also, I got a skateboard, I got Vans, I got a Nintendo Switch. Make sure to drop some suggestions. I can't can't even talk. Y'all know I always mess up. Make sure to drop some suggestions down below on what you want me to see me do next. Because we're doing something new, a new tutorial every week. A new one. Alright, I'm out of here. It's your boy Xavier Kids. I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, bye.